Hello guys, this is another video, but now this is for grammar. Now it's for grammar and topic. Okay, in your topic page or the page with the instructions, you have a spelling. For today we have grammar and we have Cambridge. Okay, for a spelling, if you saw the first video, we have the spelling dictation 25, lesson 25. You know what to do. You know that you have to write the sentence in your spelling notebook. You have to do the repetitions of the words, and then you have to illustrate each word. Okay, remember, don't forget to check the PowerPoint presentation, which is in the platform. Then, don't forget to illustrate the spelling words, please, guys. Then for grammar, we have, you have to print the appendix number 1 and paste it in your grammar notebook. This is the topic for grammar, is the causative. Okay, so what is the causative? Okay, after you paste the topic in your notebook, you have to do some activities related with this. But you may ask yourself, what is causative? Okay, we use the causative to talk about something that someone does for us. Remember, someone does for us. Why? Maybe because we can do it, maybe because we don't want to do it, or because we don't have time, or I don't know, for many reasons, okay? But the case is that we don't have to do it, or we don't want to do it, okay? So this is, for example, another use for the causative is, of course, it has a structure. What is the structure for this? We need a subject plus have plus the object plus the past participle of our verb, okay, or the main verb. For example, we can say that John has. Why has? Because John is third person, okay? John is third person. That's why we have has and not have, because it's third person, okay? So in this case, we say that John has his clothes ironed. Okay. John didn't want to wash his clothes, so he has his clothes ironed. That means that another person did it for him. Okay? So it's important you follow this structure. The subject plus have or has, depending on the subject. The object plus the verb, always in past participle. Okay? So if you have doubts about the verbs in past participle, remember that you have in your grammar book, in the page 159, you have a list of verbs with the tense in past participle. Okay? So we can use this in different tenses. What do I mean? For example, for present simple, I can say that I have my car washed. This means that another person washed my car because I didn't do it. Okay? Or because I didn't want to do it. But this is in present simple. Now I'm going to use the same sentence, but in present continuous. Present continuous. How is this? Well, in this case, it will be I am having my car washed. Okay? I am having with ing because it's present continuous. And remember that the present continuous always goes with our verb with ing. Now, the same sentence, but now in past simple. The same. How would it be? Well, in this case is subject. I had. Why had? Because it's past simple. So I need have in the past. I had my car washed. Okay? In past simple. Now, the same sentence in past continuous. How could it be? Well, in this case, instead of write I am, as this is past continuous, it's going to be I was having my car washed. Past continuous. Now, in present perfect simple. The same sentence, guys. How could it be? Well, in this case, it would be I have had my car washed. Okay? Here in this case, I have double have, but remember that in the perfect tenses, we have to use the verb have as an auxiliary. Okay? So one of the verbs have works as auxiliary and the other works as main verb. Okay? That's the difference. Okay, so actually this is the structure, guys. If you follow this structure, you won't have any problem. If you have more doubts, you can check your grammar book in the page 100 and you will see all of these examples. Okay, but apart from this, I add a link of a video about Alejo. Remember Alejo? Alejo explains these topics very, very nice. So this is another kind of help for you to understand this topic a little bit better. Okay? So this is so simple. If you follow the structure, remember always we have to follow the structure. And in Spanish it's something like when we say in the same sentence, I have my car washed, es como si dijéramos en español, es que llevé a lavar mi carro. O literalmente diríamos, mi carro fue lavado. Ajá. Pero como decir que nosotros pusimos a que esto fuera hecho por alguien más. Pudo haber sido porque o no podemos, o no sabemos hacerlo, o simplemente no quisimos. Okay, so I need to check the other video where Alejo explains this topic a little bit more. And after that, you work in the page 101 in your grammar book. Okay? And for, actually I have here the video. This is the link where Alejo explains how can we use this structure, because it's not very, very common, but sometimes is needed when we speak. Okay, so as third activity is Cambridge, and for Cambridge it's in Herbert, but we are going to do only the page 58, where you have to choose the correct word in order to complete the sentences in that page. And that's all, guys, for today. Anyway, if you have doubts, you know that you can contact me by WhatsApp or by email, and I will be there for you. Have a nice day.